In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a task in ClickUp. Whether you're cleaning up your workspace or just finished a project, removing a task can help keep your ClickUp environment organized and clutter-free. So, let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to successfully delete a task. First, you'll want to locate the task you wish to delete. Start by navigating to your ClickUp dashboard, where you'll find a list of all your tasks. It's important to ensure you're looking in the correct space or project where your task is housed. Tasks here could be in various states, open, closed, or in progress. So you might need to use filters or the search bar at the top of the page to efficiently locate the task you're targeting. Once you've found it, click on the task to open up its details. This will bring up all the associated information, including subtasks, descriptions, comments, and any attachments. It's a good opportunity to double check that this is indeed the task you want to remove, especially if it contains significant details that you might want to save elsewhere first. After ensuring you've got the right task, look to the upper right-hand corner of the task detail view, where you'll find an icon that looks like 3 dots. This is known as the More Options menu and provides a drop-down of additional actions you can take on this task. Click on this icon to reveal the menu options available to you. The menu will drop down, offering various functions like converting the task, duplicating it, or even setting dependencies. For our purposes today, you'll want to find the option that says Delete. Click on Delete, and you'll be prompted with a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to proceed. This step is important because deleting a task is a permanent action and will remove all associated data, including any attachments and comments, from your workspace. If you're absolutely certain, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Before taking this irreversible step, I'd recommend double-checking that you've saved any important information elsewhere or backing up data you might need in the future. Deleting a task isn't just about decluttering, it's about making sure you're ready for that loss of data. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward process to delete a task in ClickUp. Keeping your dashboard clear of unnecessary tasks can help boost your productivity and maintain focus on what's next. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any other ClickUp tips or tricks you'd like to learn about, feel free to reach out.